from the Pink Aphrodite.
With respect to our President, Reverend Dr. Antonio P. Coelho, EDD, to our honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. The question given to me was, we have been through many elections, and it seems that the succeeding elections are just mirrors of the preceding ones. Do you think it is possible for the Philippines to have issue-based election in 2010 rather than the usual popularity contest? I would like to start my piece with a question. Kung vadis Pinoy, where will the Filipino go? As we all know, election in 2010 is fast approaching. And we are again to select and vote for our leaders. But for me personally, I want that this question might not be given to me. I don't care if they are popular. I don't care if they have many issues made during the past years. All I care is these officials? Is these officials prepared? Is these officials ready to serve the Filipino countrymen? Because my concern is for the Filipino people. And I would like to have an official that is responsible, an official that is ready to serve the Filipino people. I don't care if they have issues before. I don't care if they are not popular, as long as they are willing to serve and they have a heart to serve. Because as we all know, corruption is very rampant, and that makes our country prone to poverty. And so, in selecting for our leaders, you have to decide, are you for a popular politician? Are you for a politician which is issue-based? But for me, I will stand on this opinion that I don't want any issues at all. I just want a politician that is honest, that is true, and that is transparent enough to serve the country. Thank you.